In this video, I am going to discuss the composition of the joints, and joints provide the movement plus mechanical stability. There are two types of joint, the solid joints and the cavitated joints. Solid joints are the non-synovial joint and it also known as the synarthrosis. It provides the structural integrity and the minimal movement, but it lacks the joint spacer, so there is no synovial cavity. They are classified according to the connective tissue, the fibrous synarthrosis and the cartilaginous synarthrosis. The fibrous synarthrosis are present between the cranial sutures. It provides the bond between the roots of the teeth and the jaw bones. And this cartilaginous synarthrosis are also known as synchondrosis. These are represented by the symphysis, manubrium sternalis and the pubis. Now come to the cavitated or the synovial joint. This will provide the wide range of movement, having the joint space and situated between the two bones via the endochondral ossification. Strengthened by the dense fibrous capsule, reinforced by the ligaments and the muscles, and the cartilage which is present in the synovial joints is the hyaline cartilage. So basically there are four structures: dense fibrous capsule, the ligaments and the muscles, and hyaline cartilage. The boundary of the joints in the synovial joints is basically composed of synovial membrane, and the synovial membrane contain the two types of cells, type A synoviocytes and the type B synoviocyte. Type A synoviocytes are specialized macrophages with a phagocytic activity, and the type B are similar to the fibroblasts, and it will synthesize the hyaluronic acid and the various protein. This synovial membrane lacks the basement membrane because it allows the sufficient diffusion or exchange between the synovium and the blood. The synovial fluid is present in the synovial cavity. It is rich in the plasma infiltrate which is containing the hyaluronic acid. The synovial fluid provide the lubrication, nutrition for the articular joints. Hyaline cartilage is unique cartilaginous tissue which acts as an elastic shock absorber and the wear resistant surface. It lacks the blood supply, innervation and the lymphatic drainage. The hyaline cartilage is composed of the chondrocytes, water, type 2 collagen and the proteoglycan. The water content is about 70% and the type 2 collagen is about 10% and the proteoglycan 8%. So what is the function of the water? It limits the friction as well as provide the resistance to the compression. The function of the proteoglycan is similar to the water. And what about the type 2 collagen? Enables the cartilage to resist and the tensile stresses and transmit the vertical loads. And chondrocytes. What is the role of the chondrocytes? It will synthesize the matrix and degrade it. It will secrete the degradative enzyme in the inactive form and enrich the matrix with the inhibitor. It also synthesizes the type 2 collagen, proteoglycans. But when there is a disease of the joint, these degradative enzyme will activate it, and this inhibitor will be destroyed, so results in the destruction of the type 2 collagen, and the destruction of the type 2 collagen take years, and the destruction of the proteoglycan takes weeks.